Today we are going to explain how to download and install softwares on Ubuntu. Let's see how to download VS Code on Ubuntu. First of all, you should go to the browser, then search VS Code. Ubuntu. Then download and install Visual Studio Code for Linux distribution. Then you can download .dev package file. Then open the folder, right click here, then open with App Center. Just open. Then click install. Then provide password. Install. Now how to check install software? You should just click here, then you can see all your installed software here. Recently we download Visual Studio Code, so just click here. It's now open. Thank you for watching.